The Precise Group. Precise, a leading manufacturer of custom-built electrical control panels and sheet metal enclosures, along with a wide range of electronic and electrical products. Performing with a commitment to excellence since 1990, the company has established itself as a paragon of quality and perfection. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, Precise makes panels which offer IP54, IP55 and IP66 protection. Precise Systems. Precise Systems, the one-stop solution for everything in control panel enclosures. Established in 2005, Precise Systems is a technically advanced, state-of-the-art manufacturing and fabrication facility. Using the latest CNC machines, a highly qualified team of engineers, design developers and properly trained operators, we make panels that are perfect, aesthetic, cost-effective and most importantly, precise solutions to your requirements. We offer you a wide range and variety of products from small boxes to large enclosures. Our products include Precise Frame Structure, PFR design, a sturdy frame construction in CRCA, fully welded frame of folded sheet steel with removable side covers, doors and top cover, comes with IP55 protection. Precise Folded Structure, PFO design, frameless economical design with hemming or flattening done for extra strength, comes with IP55 protection. Precise Modular Structure, PMO design, frameless economical modular design for ease of transport and assembly, comes with IP54 protection. Precise Console Structure, PCO design, a fully welded frame or folded structure design available in desk style also with sliding trays and drawers as per your requirements. Comes with IP54 protection. Precise Junction Box, PJB design, available in a variety of sizes for a variety of uses. Comes with IP54 to IP66 protection. Precise Special Fabrication, enclosures made as per customer designs and requirements, which may also be machine mounted. All our products are carefully and precisely crafted with the use of 3D software and modern machines. Shearing is done on CNC machines. CNC punching is done on Amada Vipros 255 with mate tooling. CNC bending is done on Amada make of 100 ton and also new gen make of 80 ton capacity. Apart from these, we also use slitting shear of Trumpf make, CO2 welding, TIG welding, stud welding of Arctech and Meltronic makes, power tools like grinders, compressors, air dryers, sanders, drill machines, hand drills, nut runners, nut insert crimping tools and various other machines of DeWalt, Hitachi, KPT, Wolf, CP and Kapasi make etc. Precise values its team of expert engineers engaged in continuous upgradation of products and adaptation of new technologies. Precise Coaters. Precise Coaters, a highly advanced, fully conveyorized powder coating unit of the Precise Group, is one of the best and largest output capacity units in Western Maharashtra. Special attention is paid to the pre-treatment process, for which we have an 11-tank process in which we carry out zinc and iron phosphating. Nanoceramic treatment is under implementation. Coating is done by new and the latest guns and baking is done in our conveyorized Camelback oven. We maintain a 120-cylinder LPG gas bank for uninterrupted supply. Strict quality control tests are conducted regularly, which include titration, pH meter test, hydrometer test, gloss meter test, DFT meter test, impact testing, crosshatch test or scratch test, conical mandrel test, salt spray test, TDS meter test, etc. We have a large and well-equipped assembly facility where enclosures are assembled by well-trained people using pneumatic tools. Precise has deep respect and values all its customers like Manograph India Limited, L&T, Honeywell, Kirloskar, Nicholas Piramal, IEI, Span Filter Mist, Kotmak Electronics, Ador Powertron, Vidyut Controls and Systems, and Ashida Electronics, among others. Precise products have also been directly and indirectly exported to various countries. The Precise Group has been honored repeatedly and has won several awards like the Udyog Shri Award, the Nation's Udyog Ratna Award, the Zilla Udyog Ratna Award, the Gunagaurav Award, the Udyog Janani Award and the Vishesh Seva Shri Award. At Precise, we believe a real award is your satisfaction.